All right, this is Senior Prestige Motorsports. We're out here in Crating, and we've got to put a distributor in a motor for a customer. So this is a process we do in the dining room and everything like that. So we thought we'd go through this to kind of explain the easiest way of doing it and stuff. So what you want to do first of all is find TDC on number 1 on compression. So just basically hold your finger over number 1, obviously, rotate it around until it's trying to blow itself off. That was exhaust. Like that. So what you want to do is bring it around to 20 degrees before TDC. Take your distributor, and obviously you can put this, number 1, anywhere you want on here, as long as you understand that. And what we kind of do is basically on these kind of applications, we put our bolts, hold downs, parallel to the front of the heads. So then we put number 1 right over here. I'm going to say if you're looking at the front of the motor about 11 o'clock. And why we do that, that's the best way of laying out the spark plug wires. And that's, for us, that's what determines where number 1 is just the most easiest way of laying them out, that they look sequential as you route them. And so what we do at that point in time is we take a Sharpie and we mark this number 1 so everybody knows that. And then you want to hold your finger on that post, lift it off, and mark number 1 there. Typically what we'll do is we'll put a little file mark in there so it's always there. So what you want to do now is just to say the distributor's over there like that. Rotate your rotor around to where you're pointing to number 1. We're pointing there, but as you come around here, you're not down. The oil pump shaft is not lined up, okay? So we'll go about like that. So as you can see, our rotor now is kind of really retarded. When the thing drops down because of the grind on the distributor gear and stuff, it's going to advance itself. So we know that. So we're going to start there, and now we're going to get it to drop down. See there? Drop down. So go all the way back around to number 1 on compression. Set it at 20 degrees. Okay, and now it's right perfect. So you line up that mark, number 1 tower, with the rotor. Just line it up perfectly like that, and it will start right up. It'll be within 2 or 3 degrees when you fire it off. Lock it down and rock and roll. That's it. Have a great day.